In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Other Wireless Connection. Then select Printing. Click on Default Print Surface. And wait! Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. You can also tap on Add Service. Download the best one for you. Go back and tap on it in the same settings. Then wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!